Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mecca if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a 2-month update video, and so let's get into the hair. So a lot has changed in the last 2 months, y'all. Everything I thought I wouldn't have to deal with, I have. I've had marrying at the roots, so I just finished a retie, and it maybe took double the time because I had to separate so many locks. So that was an issue, and I actually come to like last week, oh no, I've never had any marrying after a wash day, but apparently I was not going through my scalp well enough, or my hair was just growing too fast. I don't know. I'd say it grew maybe like 1/4 of an inch over the course of 4 weeks. So that's nice, but I am gonna try and stretch my reties to about 6 weeks minimum, just because I can't deal with the labor, y'all. My arms are literally on sore, like they're rock solid at this point. I don't know if you guys can see that muscle. That's all reties. But yeah, so I think I'm going to stretch those to 6 weeks, maybe 8 if my hair wants to comply. Other changes, I feel like my 4C coils, kinks, whatever you want to call them, are kind of popping out more. Like the texture of my locks, it's kind of changing, and they're continuing to shrink, of course, but my hair is growing at the same time, like pretty fast. So it's an interesting combination, which is probably why I had a bit of unraveling too. So yeah, month 2 has not been as kind to me. I don't know why, but yeah, I've had marrying, unraveling, all of that between my first retie and this one that I just completed today. Don't even ask me how long it took because I'm traumatized, so I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to move on from that point. And yeah, I feel like my locks are getting more solid. Like, I feel like my locks are getting more solid, so that's good. My parting isn't as bad as I thought it would be come this point, but you know, like I said, I never had this like a straight grid to begin with, so I didn't really expect it to stay too much longer. But yeah, I'll give you guys a little turnaround just so you can see where I'm at. You can see visually if there's any differences you've noticed from this video and my last one, which was my 2-month recap. But yeah, again, I'm still loving them. Still obsessed. Just this first quarantine retie for some reason was just extra crucial, like extra tough, and it had me messed up for a second, but I'm gonna stick to it. I'm looking forward to my 6-month mark and how much my hair changes from then. But until then, I'll keep you guys posted with monthly updates and little style videos in between. Hopefully I'm gonna try and do some fun stuff with it once my retie has kind of settled and I got a little more new growth. But okay, here's the turnaround. And yeah, you all, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them below. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.
And also I want to shout out my Muslims and Muslimas. Ramadan Mubarak, you guys. I hope this month is filled with blessings for all of you and all of the people that decide to view my video today. Thank you. Bye.